Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs delicious. First, crack 2 to 3 large eggs per person into a bowl. Add a small splash of milk or cream, about 1 tablespoon, then whisk them vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, adding a pat of butter. This gentle heat is key to achieving that perfect, creamy consistency without overcooking. To elevate the flavor, season your whisked eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the pan. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in the egg mixture. Stir constantly with a rubber spatula, scraping the bottom and sides of the pan to create small, soft curds. The goal is to achieve a delicate, custardy texture. Remember to pull them off the heat when they are still a little wet, as they will continue to cook from residual heat. Many people make a few common mistakes that prevent truly delicious scrambled eggs. The biggest one is overcooking. This turns your beautiful, fluffy eggs into a dry, rubbery mess. Also, resist the urge to cook them on high heat. This leads to unevenly cooked eggs, with some parts burnt and others still raw. If you're adding cheese, wait until the very end, just before removing them from the heat, to ensure it melts perfectly without becoming stringy or seizing up. For an extra touch of gourmet, consider folding in some finely chopped fresh herbs like chives or parsley right at the end. A tiny drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil or a sprinkle of flaky sea salt just before serving can also make a significant difference in taste and presentation. These small additions elevate your scrambled eggs from good to truly exceptional. For more great tips and other deals, check the description below. And remember to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.